So today it's the 750's turn to entertain us. We got a brand new front tire. I got to be careful until I get that scuffed in just a little bit. Even though the people I track, they have told me that really notice stuff, that these tires are not made with like old-fashioned tires with release agent that would be slippery, and you really don't have to scuff them in. But I'm just so old that I like to scuff them in a little before we start getting on it a little bit. Anyway, it is predicted to be a beautiful day. I want to get out of here early, take care of the farm, take care of the birds, the fish, the wife, the kids, the baby. And when I get back, my grandson is slated to be here for the day. So I have Luciano's dial indicator, and that's going to be a project for the next rainy day we have. I want to verify that before I go on any long rides. But it was running a little bit better yesterday. I just went around the block a few times, but I really don't trust it for an all-day ride yet. But eventually we'll figure out and get it running really on the razor edge. Now it was running 90%, but I want it running right on the razor edge. So, and to be honest, I'm willing to pay the price to do it. But that's coming real soon. And we've piled on a lot of miles on this since we've done the almost total restoration. A few little parts left to do on it. Still looking for the brake lines, the steel brake lines for one, and that's been an evasive thing to find gold steel brake lines. I know they're out there. And when it comes to having a nice summer long relaxing ride, and those are coming up very soon too. We're coming up in the meat of the summer when it's really, it just doesn't get any better than that. As long as you get out nice and early. If you get out late, you're cooking the afternoon. And I was glad to see yesterday Luciano's stuff worked out great. He's happy. He reported in that the bike with the lower and link handles every bit as good as it did before, and he's very comfortable getting on and off it. So it's a win-win-win. I assume Chris is on a win-win-win, and I know I am. So that's 3 out of 3. Actually, it's 4 out of 4. No, just time to see if the fish are hungry. What a silly question that is. These fish are always hungry. And Karen's garden just couldn't be nicer. It absolutely is a banner year for the garden. Just an absolute banner year. Until our farm is watered in, all our plants are wet, we'll be ready to get out on the open road. What else gets a day started better than a fresh cup of coffee? Yeah, you better come to my feeder and not Alan Millyard's feeder. Alan stole my birds. I saw the same bird at Alan Millyard's feeder. Today's little mini harvest. Look at these guys. What are these, jalapenos?
Yep.
A little mini harvest and some fresh flowers for the kitchen table. So what we have, the final check of the weather. 50% chance of rain. Thunder showers coming in. But we should have a couple hours this morning to get a ride in. But there's nothing that makes a bike handle better than some new tires. A new front tire
Got rid of all the wonkiness with the handling. It's gone right that way downhill with that old tire that was wearing funny. Now the clouds are hanging in here. I don't know. We may get rained on. Some days it cleans up. Some days it doesn't. Here's a nice pond. Look at the chairs over there. I bet they sit out at night, have a nice cup of iced tea. They got a bird feeder back there. Pretty nice. One of the nice scenic areas we pass almost every day. The great monolith from the Space Odyssey. Look at this. This must be where they shot the movie The Space Odyssey. How cool. So it was a truly nice ride. Clouds on and off. Truly a nice ride though. And the sun is coming out now. Just in the nick of time. Well, when the sun's out, these flowers. I think I'm going to pick one for Karen. Show her how much I love her. There's nothing quite like getting back from a nice ride. The sun is out. My grandson's already here. And I'm sure the coffee's brewing. Now look, who gives their bride a beautiful flower? And one for the daughter, one for the wife. Oh, buy me a new motorcycle. How about a new Ducati? Be's the lazy boy. I hope you did enjoy watching the video and sharing our ride. We had a really nice, look at the sun comes out now. Just, it's uncanny how that can happen. I don't want to ever forget to thank the healthcare workers for all the work they've done to make these rides possible, make my family's health possible, make our lives possible. Thank you guys so much. And again, hope you did enjoy the video. I enjoy making them, I enjoy sharing them, and I hope you enjoy watching them. Thanks for watching.